And so this is something that has stemmed from a place where we see in a lot of our work in the past 7 years being done with startups and SMEs in these nature-based sectors, where they have championed so much of these ESG policies without even largely realizing it. And so when it comes to the adoption from their perspective, they're quite agile to amend and to fit into them. And while when we work with corporates, it's a bit of a challenge because, of course, there's so many barriers that they have to work through. And again, in these nature-based sectors, and if we look at Sri Lanka's context, all of our exports are largely connected to and come from nature, from spices to coconut, rubber, tea. And Sri Lanka has the onus to not only be ESG compliant in this and to adhere to these regulations, but to set a standard that we can move away from more extractive methods and really champion and pioneer what we really advocate for, which is more regenerative policies, giving back more than they take. I think one such example that we've seen is a company we work very closely with, Serendipity. They're the world's first and currently only regenerative organic coconut manufacturing company. And the regeneration doesn't stop in their farming. It's not just in their farming. It's actually in the work that they do with the communities, in the wages they pay, and the hours that the workers work, as well as in the intention that they have with the partnerships that they build. They're very cognizant of, does this partner, do their values align to ours as a company? And who are their end consumers? So it's a very holistic approach that ESG is a great tool to help identify.